Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. So if things were as we thought they would be initially, spring break would be over and today would be our first day back to school. And even with the initial closures of school, we thought that maybe we'd be back today, the 14th. A little bit into the order, we learned that the closure of schools is now indefinite. And I think maybe that realization and that reminder comes to us all at different times. But today, on this day that we thought we might have been coming back, it's just been on my mind. So, and that's kind of got me feeling a little down. I miss you guys a lot. I miss the routine of the classroom. I miss the energy. I miss your creativity and all just being able to give lessons and see your amazing projects and read your writing. And I miss that a lot. And with being home, everything's different and we all have a lot that we've been adjusting to. And I feel like it's really easy to notice and just dwell on the things that are not going well. But did you know, I found this was really interesting. I did some research here and it says that research shows that negative perceptions are stored instantly in your brain. And they go to the evidence files in our mind and they tell us that the world is a negative place. And it can really feel like the world is a negative place a lot lately. The positive experiences or perceptions that our brain takes in take longer to encode or absorb into our brain. Negative ones are instant. Positive ones take 20 to 30 seconds to really absorb. So I want you guys to take a moment now to contemplate or savor something positive in your day so far. Think of something. Maybe it was that you got to eat something you really enjoy for breakfast, or maybe you really enjoyed the feeling of the sun on your face through the window, because once you step outside, it's really cold and you're just enjoying the sun on your face. Or maybe you have an opportunity to do something today that you enjoy doing. Or maybe it's just that you got to sleep in and you really liked that feeling of waking up and feeling well rested. Take some time to think about that. Savor that memory. Allow that positive feeling to sit with you and reshape your outlook on today. I also encourage you to consider writing down things that are going well, or instead of reminding yourself of all the things that are going wrong, ask yourself and force yourself to come up with a list of a few things that went well, or things that are not wrong, because it can feel like a lot of things are wrong lately. So I hope that you know that mindfulness and thinking about what went well is not about ignoring the negative things, but just shaping your mind and helping to give it perspective, especially when we're just met with a lot of sometimes not great news or disappointments. So anyways, for those of you that are joining on the Zoom meeting as a class is on Wednesday, but for students that are interested in doing writing circles Zoom style, we are going to do that today at 2. So if you're coming, please have a piece of writing to share. Maybe you wrote it yesterday or today. Maybe you wrote it a couple weeks ago when we first started all this. That's cool too. Bring something to share, and then also bring some ideas that you can share with others for the next week's topic that we're going to write about. So writing circles today at 2, literature circles, Zoom meeting as a class on Wednesday. So I know it's nice to have an anchoring question for when the whole class meets. So if you have some ideas on what we should talk about at our class reunion on Wednesday at 2, comment below some of your ideas of what we could talk about. I also encourage you to comment below or share with your family, somebody, what those positive things are that you were thinking about, or what things that went well, or what things didn't go wrong. So I look forward to seeing some of you today and a lot more of you tomorrow. Take care.